Welcome back to this new video tutorial in Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to learn how to use the TRIMMEAN function. TRIMMEAN function is used for calculating the mean of the interior portion of a set of the data values. First of all, let's understand what is given in the data. Here I have the sales of television sold in store ABC. I have the months here and the sales quantity is given here. If you see in the data, there are two sales quantity that is not in the normal range. Like if you see in the March month, the quantity is only 7 unit, and if you see in the November, the quantity is 192 unit. So these are called the outliers because it doesn't fall in the normal range. So the use of the TRIMMEAN function is to exclude these outlier numbers while calculating the average or mean. This interior portion means the data that falls under the normal range. Here if you calculate the normal average, then this average number may not be realistic because these 2 months has abnormal data. So in such case we can use the TRIMMEAN function. So here let me delete this previously used formula. Then start using the formula here. Press is equal to, then type TRIMMEAN open parenthesis. In the array parameter we have to take the number range or our data range, put a comma. Here in this percentage we have to put the percentage of outlier numbers. Like here in the data we have total 12 month. 2 month data is abnormal, so if we calculate the percentage of 2 over 12, then it is nearly 17%. So here in percentage let me take 17 percentage, then close parenthesis and hit enter. Here you see the TRIMMEAN is given as 53 unit. This mean has excluded the March and November months sales. If you select the numbers by excluding these number, then you will have the average of 52.7, which is 53 unit. So this is how we calculate the TRIMMEAN function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will again meet on next tutorial.